on your pick 4 and Super 6 tickets, and they're off. Joint account draws for your lead. Joining him is Diamond Laster. Moving up by the rail, Quick Storm. Then moving up is LGV Red Lotus. Running down on the inside, Escapo. My Treasure comes next. Then running alongside All Out as they race towards the last 800. LGB in command by a neck, running by the rail is Joint Account, racing in third, Quick Storm. Red Lotus moving a party outside, down in fifth, Diamond Laster. My Treasure comes next, then running by the rail is entry number 12, Slingshot Effect. Escapo moving a party outside, para sa'yo. All Out, then by Ralph Federer, Terrible Marvin, then comes Double Up and Gintong Gantimpala, and down the stretch they come. Joint Account, LGB, sorry, outside. Red Lotus, 10A moving a party outside. Now we have the couple entries in a 1-2 position. Joint Account, Red Lotus is sorry outside. Moving up, My Treasure by the Real Slingshot Effect. But Joint Account winning this race over My Treasure. Close with 10A Red Lotus. Then comes Slingshot Effect. Para sa'yo, Diamond Laster.